Hello, good morning. The secret of connection. Yoga very much is based on connection, and connection is also one of the basic essentials of our relationships. So here in this posture, Garudasana, the eagle pose, we have an example of connection. It is a push and a pull. So this arm pulls this arm, and as they wrap now, they push into each other. As that happens, at the back, the shoulder blades drift apart and we open the brachial plexus, the heart chakra. So when you combine that with breath, you create even more connection. That is one of the little gems, the hidden secrets of yoga.